In this video, I will show you how to connect Coinbase to Coinmarketcap. So first thing you need to do is open up your Coinmarketcap app and then you have to click on this portfolio option from the bottom of your screen. Then you're going to see this similar screen. For me, you have to click on this add transaction button at the bottom of your screen. Then from this window, you have to click on this option that says want to sync all transactions. So you have to click on this option, and from this screen you have to select or tap on this option connect your wallet. Now on this screen you have to paste your Coinbase wallet address in this first box and enter your portfolio name. So open up your Coinbase app and then you have to click on this copy or receive button at the top of your screen. Then this window will open up. From here you have to copy your wallet address and then you just have to paste the wallet address in this box and enter your portfolio name and then click on this create connection. And once you follow these steps, your Coinbase will be connected to your Coins market cap.